Everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2019 Infiniti Q70 3.7 Luxe. So the Q70 is like a bigger sedan than the Q50, and it was offered up, I think, until 2019. This is the 3.7. You can also get a V8 as well, which was an option. So it has 330 horsepower. It's pretty quick, and it's you have more legroom than a Q50 in the back seats. It's like one of my, I've only driven this a handful of times. You have a 360-degree camera system in this vehicle with guidelines as well. Finished in graphite exterior. Pretty good looking sedan. Pretty good trunk space in this car. Legroom is decent too. Yeah, let's go for that drive. Gonna put it in sport mode. And you also have heated and ventilated seats. Using the ventilated seats right now due to the insanely hot weather down in Texas. You don't have paddle shifters in here or anything, but you can put it in manual mode with the shifter. Yeah, you see this thing is pretty darn quick. But yeah, I mean, one thing to note is it has the really old infotainment. It doesn't even have the double screen setup that the Q50 and Q60 from this time had, and other Infiniti products. And it kind of makes sense because Infiniti probably, they were going to discontinue the car anyway, so it would have been pretty expensive to put double screens. But yeah, this for 2019 it definitely is a bit outdated. Yeah, I mean, it's touchscreen, but there's really not much you can do there. And you have a little clock, and you also have this controller thing over here too, if you want to use that. Ride, I mean, the seats are pretty comfortable. You know, the cars like the Q50, Q70, Q60 are all really good used car values. They're very popular in the pre-owned market if they're in good condition and everything like that. Like a certified pre-owned vehicle from Infiniti is a good value for sure. It would be cool if this had paddle shifters because, as I said, it's pretty fast. It's faster than a Q50. Like a normal Q50 I think has 300 horsepower, and a normal Q60 like a Luxe or something like that. But this has 330. They never made a Red Sport version of this car. Makes sense. I mean, I don't think there really would have been a market for a Q70 Red Sport, because it's like more of like the luxury, bigger luxury sedan kind of car. And it doesn't look like this car is blind spot alert either, which typically in Infiniti products and Nissan products, it's in the A pillar. Yeah, nice driving car. Whoa. That truck had to make a right turn from the wrong lane. Yeah, as I was saying, pretty nice in terms of quality and all that. I mean, yeah, the infotainment's really old, whatever, but I mean, it's a pre-owned car, right? And as I was saying, is if you're looking for a luxurious, comfortable daily driving car, it probably wouldn't matter too much. You have to click this little square button up here to go through the menus in the gauge cluster, and then using the toggle switch on the left side of your steering wheel, it controls the main screen. But anyways, that's about it. Thanks for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one.